How to fix login error on SoundCloud app. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your login error on SoundCloud app. If you're facing login issue while using your SoundCloud app, then it could be various different reasons why the issue occurred. So first thing what you can do is you can also clear your browser's cache and try signing in again. In order to clear your cache, long press on your SoundCloud app and click the I button. This is going to direct you to the app info page. Here, go to storage and cache, click the clear cache button as well as clear storage button. As soon as you do that, sign in again and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can also check the status block to make sure that there is no ongoing service disruptions that could cause issue in the staying signed in. Apart from it, you can also disable any extensions or plugins or your browsers that could be causing difficulties. If you're using a VPN, you can try disabling it, or if you're not using a VPN, then try using the VPN that might be able to solve. And one of the major issue might be your internet connection. If you're connected to an unstable internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to log in into your SoundCloud app. So apart from it, your credential also matters a lot. So if you're providing some invalid or incorrect credential, that might be the issue why you're facing login error on SoundCloud app. So these are some of the ways to fix your login error on SoundCloud app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.